You have a smartphone, or so you probably use a lot of apps, right? But did you know you can make money writing about those apps? You see, every day, thousands of news apps are released, and most get lost in the crowd. That's where you come in. Introducing Write App Reviews, the new platform that allows you to profit from testing and writing about new apps. All you need is any kind of smartphone or tablet. You simply choose an app from the Write App Reviews database, test it out on your phone or tablet, then log into your Write App Reviews account. Write your honest opinion about the app on your website hosted by us. And when people read your post, we monetize that traffic for you using affiliate marketing. We do all the technical work and give you the hottest new apps to test and write about every day. So all you need to do is log in, download, and test the apps we give you, and then write your honest opinion about them. We make sure that the apps we give you to test each day are hot new apps that will get lots of searches on Google. When a new app is released, the first thing most people do is jump on Google to find out more information about it. We automatically search engine optimize your website so that your post about the app shows up at the top of the search results. We monetize that traffic with affiliate marketing for you. So if you want to be able to make money testing and writing about the hottest new apps every day, join now. Join now and fill in your name and email to register.